your shadow moves across the lonely room. I fantasize that I'm your lover's eyes. You're so close to me, but always out of reach. I hear your name through the wind and rain. Why can't you see the fire inside of me? In my mind, your body's next to mine. You're so close to me, but always out of reach. I hear your name through the wind and rain. Why can't you see the fire inside of me? Why can't you see